From above the city of Hyderabad, the call of history and faith still echoes. The drone reveals the skyline. His heart rises a sacred place. The Hakim Shah Baba Masjid and Dargah. Birds circle gracefully around its dome, as if they too are guardians of this legacy.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Here visited this place which is called Hakim Baba, right? It's called
Hakim Baba.
Yeah, it's called Hakim
They
Baba.
also Hakim Shah Baba. They are writing here in mosque.
Yeah, so this is the mosque. It's a very beautiful place. A lot of birds, mashallah. Subhanallah. What a beautiful view, what a beautiful.
As I walk closer, I'm surrounded by flocks of birds, pigeons soaring in every direction. There is a serenity here, a reminder that life is not only about the rush of the city, but about pausing to reflect. These birds always returning here symbolize peace and continuity tied to this place for centuries.
Okay, we're gonna find out about this place. Do you hear the birds?
Inside the masjid, the Adhan begins, a timeless call that has united Muslims for over 1400 years. The sound fills the air, echoing through the walls of this mosque that has witnessed generations of believers bowing to their Creator. Worship connects us to the same rhythm of life that Hakim Baba himself lived in the 16th hundred. Hazrat Hakim Shah Baba, also known as Syed Nizamuddin Ahmad Gilani, came to Hyderabad from Maharashtra. He was a healer and master of Unani medicine, Greece medicine.
فيا أيها الراجون منه شفاعة صلوا عليه وسلموا تسليما اللهم صل وسلم وزد وبارك على حبيبك سيدنا محمد نور القلب وقرة العين وعلى آل محمد فيا أيها المشتاقون إلى رؤيا جماله صلوا عليه وسلموا تسليما اللهم صل وسلم وزد وبارك عليه خصوصا منهم على أفضل البشر بعد الأنبياء بالتحقيق صاحب نبيكم بالغار والرفيق أمير المؤمنين سيدنا أبي بكر الصديق رضي الله تعالى عنه وعلى الزاهد الأنباب الناطق بالصواب كان رأيه موافقا بالوحي والكتاب أمير المؤمنين سيدنا عمر بن الخطاب رضي الله تعالى عنه وعلى جامع القرآن كامل الحياء والإيمان ذي النورين والبرهان من استحيت منه ملائكة الرحمن أمير المؤمنين سيدنا عثمان بن عفان رضي الله تعالى عنه وعلى أسد الله الغالب إمام المشارق والمغارب ليث بني طالب ذي المناقب والمناصب أمير المؤمنين سيدنا علي بن أبي طالب كرم الله وجهه الكريم ورضي الله تعالى عنه وعلى ولديه السيدين السبطين شهيدين النيرين سيدنا أبي محمد الحسن وسيدنا أبي عبد الله الحسين رضي الله تعالى عنهما وعلى أمهما سيدة نساء العالمين سيدتنا فاطمة الزهراء رضي الله تعالى عنها وعلى عميه المعظمين عند الله والناس المطهرين من الدناس والأرجاس سيدنا بعمارة الحمزة وسيدنا بالفضل العباس رضي الله تعالى عنهما وعلى تمام الباقية من العشرة المبشرة الذين بايعوا النبي تحت الشجرة وعلى سائر الصحابة والقرابة رضوان الله تعالى عليهم أجمعين اللهم أعز الإسلام والمسلمين واخذل الكفر.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم
Sheikh Saeed.
السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
كيف حالك؟
الحمد لله.
MashaAllah. It's beautiful and it's a pleasure for me, to visit this masjid and this musalla,
Thank you.
historic musalla. So if you want to tell us, what is this masjid about?
This is Dargah Hazrat Syed Nizamuddin Ahmad Gilani, al-Ma'ruf Hakim Baba. The nickname of Syed Nizamuddin Gilani was Hakim Baba. So this is around 400 years before historical place.
So this
That
this,
was
this
built,
place is
yeah.
about 400 years
400
old.
years ago.
Okay,
That is
MashaAllah.
very this is very historical place. This Dargah that you are seeing, the tomb,
Yeah.
that is
the
of
green dome.
Hakim Baba.
The Hakim Baba.
Because of his name, we used to call all these opposite, some downs are there,
Yeah.
Hakim Pet, Paramount Hills, what are there? No?
All these
All
the
these
downhill.
things, Hakim Pet, Hakim Shah Baba, Hakim Shah Colony,
Yeah.
and Hakim Pet Kunta. These three will be
So
inside that one.
so the word Hakim is taken from the Arabic word. Is that like a physician, tabib, or is it the different meaning of it as historical here?
He is,
Is it
one
tabib?
is name,
Yeah.
and second is Tabib.
Tabib.
Hakim also.
He's a tabib. Hakim.
He was the Hakim of second Qutb Shah.
Wow.
You know the Khuli Qutb Shah?
Yeah. So he was the physician for the family, for the royal family.
Royal family, first person who built Golconda, who built Charminar,
Yeah.
who built Makkah Masjid. That is Qutb Shah. And his son is Abdullah Qutb Shah.
Wow.
Abdullah Qutb Shah was the
Yeah.
ruler of Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
So at that time, that Hakim Baba came.
Okay. So Hakim
So-
Baba came here.
Hakim Baba came here, and he knows that the Abdullah Qutb Shah, who
Okay.
was the ruler, he
The ruler.
knows him very well, that
Nice.
he was the physician.
Physician. Yes.
Yeah. And his
Yunani-
you say laqab.
Yeah.
Laqab was Hakimul Mulk.
Hakim al-Mulk they call him, huh?
Hakim al-Mulk.
MashaAllah.
They used to call, and he only built that tomb and this one and this Jabal Nur. He only told, because these are all 400 years before,
So and this building is 400 years old.
400 years ago.
Subhanallah.
This we used to call
History.
Qutb Shahi Mujassama.
Qutb Shahi Mujassama.
Naam.
Okay.
Qutb Shahi without pillar. And
Inside the building, which is the Hakim Baba used to stay here, according to the history. It was kind of like a small hospital, kind of like
a small hospital,
Small
yes.
hospital for him, because he was a physician.
Shahi.
Okay.
All these Qutb Shahi designs. And one more engineering word is there. Qutb Shahi. In the period of Qutb Shahi, they used to build very beautiful masjids.
Yes.
They used
The
to build
architecture
very,
is
very,
amazing.
yeah, architecture and structure will be very good. You saw the Makkah Masjid,
Yes.
and you saw this one small,
Small, that white
that
and
white,
green.
white and
between.
green minar
Yes.
was there.
Yeah, that
So
small
these all
little.
are-
It's kind of a mosque. Is that a mosque
Yeah,
or?
mosque.
Oh, okay.
It was mosque. 400
It was a
years
mosque.
before mosque.
400 years ago.
Yes.
And then they expanded to this building.
Yeah. Later on, we expanded. The committee expanded that one.
Okay, but the original masjid is that small
Yes.
white between the two greens.
Yes. And later on, the minars will be was built, and these all renovated. Only renovation
Yeah,
done.
mashallah.
But these
tell,
are very
tell
historic
me,
ones.
Tell me about this place about in Ramadan and the Eid prayers.
Yeah, in
How is
Ramadan-
it?
in
Like it gets
Ramadan-
full?
Yes, yes. It will be full. Here we used to do iftar.
Iftar here
Yeah,
too.
that is very beautiful manzar,
Mashallah. It's a beautiful scene, yeah?
beautiful scene. It will be
And
there.
and what about this place? that has a fence
That
here.
is Eidgah. We used to tell Eidgah.
Okay.
Eidgah in the sense to pray. Eid ul-Fitr, Eid ul-Adha. The gate will open.
The gate
we used
open
to
and
pray.
the people
Musalla.
pray.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So like, okay,
So this is
mashallah.
newly constructed. It's under construction.
Okay.
So in this, around 4 to 5,000 plus
4 to 5,000
in
people
Ramadan.
in Ramadan
Yes,
and Eid. And,
Eid and all. And in Juma, around 1,500. You saw that.
yes, yes. Beautiful, mashallah.
And this is a tomb of Syed Nizamuddin Ahmad Gilani, al-Ma'ruf Hakim Baba.
Hakim Baba, huh?
Hakim Baba. And if you see that one, from here you can see Golconda. See Golconda.
Yeah.
From here.
From here.
From here you can see Golconda. I will show you. The
Okay.
small one.
So that is the Golconda.
You saw?
Yeah, yeah. That building is over there. Inshallah.
This is Golconda.
So that's the founder of this city, which is Qutb Shah and the
Qutb Shah,
family,
yes.
the royal family.
He only the person who give the name of this city to Hyderabad.
Okay, so Qutb Shah,
He's the
one-
founder.
he's the
He's
founder
the founder and ruler.
and the ruler
First
of the
person who ruled
Hyderabad.
on Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
Yes. Previously Hyderabad was very historical place.
MashaAllah.
Last time in 29th Shawwal al-Mukarram, 29th Shawwal, we have celebrated the Urs of Hazrat Syed Nizamuddin Ahmad Gilani. That was 387th Urs. 387 years before he died.
So before his death, you guys celebrated last Shawwal, right?
Last Shawwal, 29th Shawwal.
380 years.
387.
387
387.
since his death, yeah.
387.
Allah
So every 29th Shawwal al-Mukarram, we used to celebrate his death anniversary. There will be a mahfil, there will be some gatherings. So all the nearby persons, they used to unite here, they used to celebrate here, they used to come here for the Urs of Syed Nizamuddin Ahmad Gilani. Jazakallah.
Okay, so this is the committee of the masjid. Tell us, ya
This
Sheikh.
is the team who used to work for this dargah day and night for the
MashaAllah.
development of this dargah. They all are, this is the superintendent of committee, and these all are his committee members. They used to work lot for this one. They used to do whatever the place needs.
Yeah.
They used
So
to
they
do
will
that
take
one.
care of the masjid and maintenance,
Yes,
cleaning.
maintenance, everything.
Yeah, working for the masjid,
You
mashallah.
see, so on the Friday prayer,
Yes.
they used to put carpets,
Yes.
everything.
MashaAllah. They're working hard
Yes,
day
they
and
are
night.
working, yes.
MashaAllah. May Allah reward them and bless them.
Inshallah,
Thank you so much for your time. This, huh?
Outside, I share food with birds. Some eat directly from my hand. A moment of trust, of connection between creation. It makes me reflect. Faith is not only about rituals inside the masjid, but about how we treat the world around us. Feeding a bird, smiling at a stranger, helping someone in need, these are also acts of worship.
Everywhere you go. This reminds me about the history back in the days when Umar bin Abdul Aziz, the Khalifa, the Muslim Khalifa, used to tell the governors, to give the zakat al-mal to every human being. And then when they gave to all Muslims and non-Muslims, Umar bin Abdul Aziz asked them, okay, who's left? Who needs support? They said, we gave everybody. And then he said, okay, whatever's left from the zakat al-mal al-Muslimin, buy food for the birds and give it to the birds. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful, Allah. This reminds us about our history. No fighting, babies. No fighting. That was beautiful. MashaAllah, MashaAllah.
Hakim Shah Baba's life teaches us that true legacy is in service. His medicine healed bodies, his compassion healed souls. Today, in a world of fast technology and distractions, we can still learn from him, live with knowledge, serve with kindness, and leave behind a legacy of good. If this journey through history and faith inspired you, please like this video, share your thoughts in the comment, and subscribe to my channel. For more travels where culture, faith, and reflection come together. Until next time, may Allah guide us to live lives of service, compassion, and remembrance. Assalamu alaikum.